We're going to give Madison her first baby food. She has her bib on, so she thinks she's getting milk. That's why she's crying. So, this is some squash. Is that yummy? Yum yums. She's trying to shove it in with her hands. Yum yums. I think she's doing pretty good for her first time. Let me take it over from this side. Ready, Madison? Here you go. Ah. Yummy. Let's do one more. Oh, Madison, you got it on your hands. So she likes it. She likes that squash. We'll do one more. Today is January 25th. And she's eating her first food. Yes. Yummies, mammers. Yummies, mammers. You like that? They have to wake up. Yummies. I think the spoon feels good on her tooth because she's nibbling that tooth. One more. Okay. Bye-bye. Baby bullet squash. Homemade. Bye-bye.